and down the road was a house where people with addiction lived. And one day I went to the shop and I come home and this girl was knocking on my door. So this is Bird Street. Knock, knock, knock. There's a beggar at the door. There's a baghead at the door. There's a fallen angel. There's a woman. There's a whore. Saint Mary of Methadone knocking to come in. Child-sized needle thighs questioning me with lucid eyes. Her. Does anyone keep pigeons on this street? Me, Jesus Christ, why do I always attract the freaks? Her. I found this pigeon, it's struggling to breathe. Me, pigeons are dirty, they carry disease. There's a rat with wings, there's a rat with wings, there's a fallen angel, there's a struggling thing. No vet for a pigeon, no RSPCA, and God knows who will help this smackhead today. Me, well, I don't keep pigeons, but she shoves a dying hope in a plastic bag through the crack in the door, through the crack of a chance in my pause for thought. I'm no omnipotent ornithologist. Is it a pigeon? Or is it a dove? Me, revulsion, her, love. I'll knock on another door, missus. Dirty, blonde, feathers, last slack breath. No last rites for a pigeon. A paper sign in Mary's window, house to let, will accept DSS and pets. Fumigators in and vermin's out, and my house stinks of death and hope and doubt. Thank you. Woo!